Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and this is another What is in the Canner this weekend. So as soon as the steamer goes down, or the little, pressure thingy goes down, I will open it up and we'll put it on the mat and I'll show you what I have in the canner this weekend. Okay, we're back. I have one can of brats for right now, some chicken, and some broth. I'm going to ask you about this one in a minute. These are pork chops cut up into chunks. These are the liquid from the chicken. I thought I had it all strained out, but I guess there's still some remnants in there. And it was only filled up to the 1-inch mark, but it's doing this weird bubbling thing. This one lost liquid. It siphoned out because it would bubble and make that noise. And this one would spit some out. But they're both doing this bubbling thing. This is, yeah, that right there. This is the first time I'm doing liquids. So maybe I did something wrong. I'm not sure. Like I said, this is the first time I'm doing that. So, maybe it was because I canned them with the same ones. I don't know. I forgot to check. So it could be user error. But if you could please let me know what I am doing wrong, or if I did anything wrong. It is chicken broth, or the liquid from when I slow cooked the chicken. It was, I put it in the refrigerator because I didn't get a chance to can it last weekend. So I let it come up to room temperature before I put it in the canner. However, it was jelly when I put it in it was still jelly when I put it into the canner. So did I do something wrong? Is it still safe? Please let me know. I will post this probably Monday. Well, you'll be seeing it when I say it. So anyways, please let me know if I did something wrong. Like I said, this is the first time I've canned liquids, and I think I did something wrong because it's still doing that bubbly thing and popping the lid around, or at least making it sound like it's pinging and stuff. So I know the others are good. I'm just not too sure about these two jars here. Please let me know. And let me know if they're still good. This was done this weekend, so by the time you watch it on Monday, it will have been done on Saturday. So please let me know. I'm just going to switch videos around and try to get this one up as fast as possible so I can find out what's going on with these two here. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching. May God bless you to overflowing, and may He keep each and every one of you safe. And hopefully those two jars are okay. Bye for now.